In this new tutorial, I will guide you how you can set sound output device in CapCut. So I have opened my CapCut and now you have to click on the menu on the top bar and now go to the settings. And under the setting you will see that four tabs. You need to click on the third tab, which is the performance tab. And now here you will see that sound output device. You need to scroll down and here is the sound output device. Right now my sound output device is the speaker MCPW9 is the by default. So here your sound output device will be showing here. So you need to select that. And if you don't want to use any speaker, then you need to click on the speaker HP. That is the default for the your laptop audio device. So for this right now I'm clicking the speaker sound output device and now click save, and now that's all. In this way you can easily set sound output device in CapCut. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.